Give me 1 second while I bring out this precept. This is Ecclesiastes in the Apocrypha, chapter 39, and I'm gonna start at verse 29. It says, fire and hell and famine and death, all these was created for vengeance. And I want to start this video by giving infinite honor, praise, and glory unto the Heavenly Father and the Son, Yahweh Ba'ashem, Yahushai, Ba'ashem, Kakodash, and that's like to give double honors to our teachers, their apostles, the elders of great millstone, GMS, taught us 100% truth according to the Bible's been greatest source in the faith, and double shalom citation to the icons, because of full winds, pushing this word, truth, faith, and sincerity, also giving diligence, was making the calling, and election sure. I'll go by Yaka. I'll come back with another lesson. Lord's willing, is edifying, straight to the point. It's clear the Lord's visiting this place. Okay, as we often go to that word visited, it goes back to the word punish. All right, and He's punishing this place. He's punishing, America through one of the ways He's punished this place through the element of fire. Okay, fire is being sent out as a way that the Lord is using to punish people for their wickedness. Okay, and I just open up with Ecclesiastes 39:29. Okay, fire is a it's also part of spirit created for vengeance. Okay, which is what we seeing. Okay, let's go ahead and get it. It's Ecclesiastes 39:29 says fire. I start up verse 28. It says, there be spirits that are created for vengeance, which in their fury lay on sore strokes. In the time of destruction they parted, forced and appeased the wrath of him that made them. Fire and hell and the famine and death, all these was created for vengeance. Okay, payback. Fire is a form of vengeance. Fire is exactly what we seeing. Okay, these wildfires is taking place over there on the West Coast, California to be exact. There's vengeance. Okay, vengeance from the Lord. Okay, you recently had a wildfire that's put out here in North Carolina. Okay, and this is the Lord also visiting this place. All right, and as well as you got car fires and even house fires. Okay, fire is a form of vengeance, a form of payback. And I have here an article that I screenshot, a recent fire. Okay, house fire to be exact, that just took place. 3 people was killed. Okay, in the fire. Okay, and this is an article that was put up by Fox Carolina. All right, and this happened way out there in Oregon. It says coroner identifies 2 women, toddler killed in a grill. How you pronounce it? House fire. Okay, and again, this is the Lord causing judgment to go out. And I also thought about Ezekiel in 9. The Lord said He's gonna slay old, young, maids, children, women. Okay. Again, this is the Lord. The Lord is doing these things to bring forth vengeance, upon His enemies. Okay. And it's only gonna get worse. All right. When you see these things happening, okay, this is example of the Lord bringing judgment upon this place. All right. So let's go to my next article. Okay, this is on the news break. It says at least 46 children perish from the this measles outbreak as virus spreads globally. Okay, and this is another example of pestilence. This is another example of the Lord bringing a pestilence. So again, 46 children are perished. 46 people have died. Okay, from this outbreak. So the Ebola is back. No, not the Ebola, but the measles is back. Okay, it's back out again. Okay, these pestilence, which are diseases, are being pushed out, and this is a sign, man. Okay, it's part of the signs of the end times, man. The Lord said He's gonna bring forth in these latter days, as well as earthquakes, because this is give me one second. And this is another article. Okay, major 7.4 magnitude earthquake strikes off Indonesia. Deleting 1 trillion tsunamis warning again, signs of the times. Okay. St. Matthew's, that's St. Matthew's 24. Okay. You should hear wars, rumors of wars, famines, pestilence. Okay. These are the beginning of sorrows. All right. And, these are things that the Lord told His disciples to look for in the end times. All right. And one of the signs that He said to look for was pestilence and earthquakes. And that's exactly what you're seeing going forth. All right. And a lot of these diseases, a lot of those diseases there was in ancient time, they're here today. The CDC, they control all that stuff, and they're going to unleash it upon the masses. Okay. So you got fires. Okay. You got pestilence, diseases, and you got earthquakes happening in diverse places. Okay, the Lord is visiting this place. Okay, evils are increasing. Okay, the Lord is bringing judgment upon this place, and everyone is gonna know that it's Yahweh Bashim Yahushua that's doing these things. All right, but this is just a news update. So but yeah, this is just a news update. Just reporting on the recent news, the current news that's happening, and you hopeful that's out there. Just continue to seek Yahweh Hashem Shah. Stay tuned for more of these prophecies to come to pass. Lord's willing, let's was edifying. Want to give infinite honor, praises, and glory unto Yahweh Hashem Yahushua. Double honor to our teachers, that apostles, that is great millstone, GMS, who taught us the 100% truth according to the Bibles, being great examples to us in the faith. And double shalom, citation to the icon source of holiness, pushing His word, true faith is sincerity, also giving diligence, and is also making a calling and election sure. Shalom.